Let's see if we can add an image here, right? Because remember, we have that set up inside of this card, right? Card, we have the image there. Painter, we are using Coil. Remember, Image Painter to allow us to get images from the internet, right? So later we'll see that we'll get images and we'll get books from this API, googleapis.com. This allows us to pass in a query, for instance, Android. We'll get all the books, Android books, and so forth. So, and we'll get these images, of course, metadata from this API. So I'm going to get a link here of a thumbnail of this image. Let's copy this. Let's see if I can do this. Let's copy that. And let's paste it all in here. Okay, so this is the API image that we're going to be using later, but I'm just hard coding it so we can see, hopefully, an image here. Obviously, we'll have to actually run on device in order for us to see this. So let's see. Okay, and there you go. It's working. You can see we have the nice image there. Now, if in case you don't see this image loading, because if you look at this one, if I right click and open it in a new tab, you'll see that this is not a secure place, which means Android Studio may not like that to run links that are not secure to get images. So if you find that problem, something you don't see the actual image there, what you need to do is you need to go to manifest file, and here you just have to start typing something like this, uses, and you're going to see this uses clear text traffic. Okay, so what this does, as you see here, it says declare that this application may use clear text traffic such as HTTP rather than HTTPS. Okay, it's going to allow us to use unsafe links. Now, of course, it's kind of debatable whether you want to allow your app to do this, but in this case, it's okay. We're going to say true. It's okay because we know exactly where these links are coming from. It's Google, so it's okay. All right. So that's in case that you don't end up seeing an image showing here. And of course, you can test out with any image, link image from the internet, and then check if you're going to be able to see that image. All right. So in this case here, again, let's go ahead and refresh. We should be able to still see that image there. So that gives us the full picture of how this card, list card, would look like.